Sweet. You want to shoot it?
Yeah, let's shoot it.
Well, I haven't. I need to film that. We're gonna close that, pretend that's closed. But look at that. Look at that. Flamethrowers. This is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. Little a la flamethrower video. Mine, so it started out with me buying three of these Elon Musk Boring Company Not-A-Flamethrower Flamethrowers, and well, it just turned into me selling 2 of them for more than what I paid. And then the third one I kept for a while, and it was kind of shitty, so I modified the fuck out of it, turned into this. And now I need to modify it a little bit more because the holder won't even hold the bottle anymore. And then Joe decided to make this. Pretty much looks the same. I'll let Joe get into it though. You're gonna do the Louis Vuitton one.
I hang on the wall.
How you gonna make it?
I got a stencil already, but that's not even you said it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
Etsy.
Stencil?
Yeah, they just have a Louis Vuitton stencil.
Are you gonna do the tan one?
Yeah, I think so. But although I do have gold spray paint. Like, it's kind of metallic. It could go over the tan.
Oh, you want to do gold?
I could. I mean, I'm just saying I have the paint already.
Oh.
I have like 2 cans of it.
I think Louis Vuitton stuff is like, you know what I
It's
mean?
like
Like light brown and dark brown.
Just creamer brown.
Yeah, but pick it up and we'll go outside with it. Yeah, basically, you saw mine, and I told you that I took it from like the bitch Elon Musks flamethrower that shoots like a 6-foot flame to you can really roost it up and shoot like a 10, 12-foot flame. And then you were like, fuck it, I'm gonna make my own.
Yeah.
Give me the rundown. Give me the bam.
The shell here is an airsoft gun that I took everything out of. Everything. You take everything out. Every single possible thing that's in there you take out. The holder here is a bicycle water bottle holder.
Yeah, it's better than the fucking stock one.
Better than the stock one's plastic. This one's metal. Stays on, doesn't break.
It's pretty badass.
The torch itself, I bought at Harbor Freight. It's a roofing torch, tar torch, whatever you want to use it for. The hose is a propane extension hose that I bought at Home Depot. And there's a lot of modification that goes into the actual like torch fitting in here.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get into that right now. And then on the other side, you'll see I have my...
Like you're not going to explain it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you don't need to.
And trigger was modified from the original torch trigger.
Yeah, there's just a lot of chiseling that needs to be done.
Yeah, there's a lot of Dremel
gluing.
work that needs to be done to make it go from just a basic airsoft gun and a torch to this.
Sweet. You want to shoot it?
Yeah, let's shoot it.
Oh, hey there. I'm Matt Wade, or am I? And this is a commercial break from the video of Matt Wade, or is it? And I wanted to take this moment to share a nice little announcement with you, and that would be to go over to the Track Slayers YouTube channel, subscribe, maybe watch a couple videos and hit a thumbs up button, a little icon down there, and have some fun. Otherwise, we're gonna keep protecting the freedoms. I'm watching a cactus right now. Suspicious, I thought it moved earlier. Have a good one. Back to the video. We can also turn this off now. I also am gonna need fucking help getting out of this shopping cart. I also stole this shopping cart from a store. I'm probably gonna go to jail. I'm just kidding, I own this. This too. I love this thing. Someone send me some optics. Be nice. We have no monies left. Spent all my monies on jackets for concealment. Also shave the beard, fuck you.
Yo, just when you do, shoot that way.
So it's gonna be a little bit hard to see it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's all good. We got video of it shooting at night too. I want to get a picture of it, but now you can still kind of see it. Obviously in the daytime it's harder to see, but you don't have to keep boosting it unless you want to. Alright. You're good. So the only thing yours doesn't have is the dial that mine does, right? So mine, it's got the dial right here where you can turn it on and up, and then you also release the fuel into that pretty much. Whereas that doesn't have it yet.
Right here, and you can actually stick a screwdriver and adjust it that way.
Yeah.
That's probably the only thing I would change and do next time would be the dial.
Yeah, what do you think could be modified to make it better, other than maybe making this
A little more straight.
Yeah.
Really just the dial, because the actual trigger doesn't do much besides like it does a small boost.
Yeah.
But having the dial and being able to turn that up, you can definitely like shoot a lot further.
What I like about it is if you get the shroud and make the shroud, like I said, if we lessen the diameter of that, make it longer, and then shroud it back to cover that, because that does look, I mean, it looks cool, but it looks kind of, it could look better, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like an actual gun. And obviously this stuff, telescopes and whatnot, but it's hard to do with one hand. And yeah, I just think it'd be sweet. And it's gonna basically almost football the flame and spiral it and shoot it out a little bit further, which I think would be cool. I think all we need to do is get a picture of this damn thing. Of you with it. And then we're done. Alright, that's about it. Other than that, I don't know what else to do other than just showing you the videos of us shooting at night. You guys have seen me use that flamethrower multiple times, that non-flamethrower multiple times, and I think more modifications are due. So, other than that, if you want to see more shit like this, up to you. I don't care. You can subscribe. If not, I don't give a fuck, but feel free. Otherwise, what? Yeah.
I just look so serious with the.
You're savage. We just got all the thumbnails for that. If you like this video, if you like fucking flamethrowers, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, we got some more shit to film. That's what this huge mess is. So, yeah. Enjoy.